Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to screen record on your iPhone. Now if you don't know how to screen record your screen on iPhone, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to any kind of Wi-Fi or data. So if you want to screen record and download something and show it to your friends, then you maybe need to connect it to Wi-Fi. Secondly, here you'll see the option of the screen record button here. So if you don't see it, you may simply long press on the control center like this and click on the option of add a control. So on the add a control, here you'll see the option of alarm, timer, voice memo and all of it. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to find the option of screen record like this. So currently I have already kept it, so you won't be able to find it. So if you press on the button of screen record like this, then your screen record will be started on your iPhone. So that's how I'm recording this video right now. So that's it. That's how you can screen record the video or your screen on iPhone. So thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.